How to order Uber Eats with gift card. For this, go to Google and search for Uber Eats and go to their website. And on your mobile phone, you can go to the application of Uber Eats and log into your account. After logging into your account, click on the option of three bars. Now tapping on that, you will be able to see all the available option here. From here, select the option that says Wallet, and now after clicking on Wallet, you will be able to see all of the payment methods. Now click on your redeem gift card and click on it. You have another option. You can just go to the menu and select any product and then proceed for checkout. At checkout, you will see an option for adding payment method. From here, you can add gift card as your payment method, and that's how it is very simple.